Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Professor Wasim Bhatt. Professor Wasim Bhatt is the Assistant Professor of Law and the Controller of Examinations at Gujarat Maritime University. Welcome to the College Dunia portal, sir.
Thank you for having me.
All right, sir. So, beginning with the interview, my first question to you would be that what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
I think there is only one key factor which connects me to the education sector is my passion towards the research and teaching. I wanted to be a professor since my childhood, so I pursued that dream. So as soon as I completed my post graduation from Gujarat National University, soon after I got appointed. I pursued it and I got appointed as a professor at the Gujarat National University. So I think my this passion towards the research and academics is the key factor for me being in this sector.
That's great, sir. So, my next question to you is that the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can be an inbound student gain from studying here in your university?
Yeah, exactly. That's a very good question. I think I have now experience of quite a few Indian universities, and I have the more than 1 year experience at the Gujarat Maritime University. The curriculums, the how the courses are being conducted at the foreign universities, that is different from the how the courses are being conducted in Indian universities are the different. But at the Gujarat Maritime University, we have tried up to the maximum level to bring that internationalization to our university. There are the three key factors to that. Number one factor is our collaboration with the industry. So this university is operated and this university is established by the regulator of the maritime sector in the Gujarat. So we have tie-ups with all the major market players, all the industrial players, players of the maritime sector. So this is one edge that it brings it towards the internationalization of the university. Another factor remains our collaboration with the best universities of the world, which includes Erasmus University, STC, Extra. And the third essential factor towards this is our externship programs. Although we offer the best internship programs within the industry, we also offer externship programs where we give our students opportunity to go to the best universities. So I think these key factors are there which brings the Gujarat Maritime University at the academic level which is being offered at the best international universities.
Right. Thank you for the great response, sir. Moving on, my next question would be that how does the curriculum of Gujarat Maritime University ensure the best practice of the industry?
Yeah, that's an essential thing. The curriculum remains the main part of the university. So, the curriculum of the Gujarat Maritime University is designed by the academics of the sector, best academicians of the sector, and the best industrial experts. So, the good thing about it is that our curriculum is industrially updated. It updates itself. It is reviewed by the industrial experts and it is made up to date and it is designed in such a manner so that it is industry friendly. So certainly it increases your chances of employability and it along with the giving you the education, it gives you the employment skills. So the both the things are kept in the mind. One thing is that your education, what you are learning, and second thing is it gives you the training and the job skills as well. So that's why that in that sense it is the best curriculum which has been designed with the industrial and the academic leaders.
Perfect, sir. Coming to the next question, what do you see as Gujarat Maritime University's greatest strengths?
So If we come to the strengths of the university, there are quite a few to mention. The first and foremost is if the university is established and regulated by the regulator of this sector, that's the Gujarat Maritime Board. That's the one of the major strengths of the university. Second strength, we can say that it has collaborations with the best academic institutions, and it has collaboration with the best and the leaders of the industry. And the third thing, we may say that it offers the best internship and the externship programs. And fourth is the industry, as the industry requires industry-based, requirement-based designed curriculum. And fifth, I see that it offers the great career, and it offers the great employment opportunities.
All right, thank you, sir. So, without taking much of your time, I'd like to jump to the last question. Any suggestions that you would like to give to the current or the aspiring students?
Yes, that's a very important question. So, my suggestion in this to the students who are joining the undergraduate programs or the postgraduate programs, uh, in this competitive world, when the there are the employment crisis, uh, in this the competition is so high. So one suggestion I would like to give to youth is that before, when they are about to join the postgraduate programs or the undergraduate programs, they should have their vision, they should have their goals clear. If they keep their goals, if they keep their vision clear, it will help them to achieve those goals easily while during their period of study at the university. They should utilize all the university resources. They should utilize what the university is going to offer them to achieve their goals. So that's the most important thing, that will take them lesser time to achieve the goals. Keep your goals clear. Keep your what do you want to achieve. Keep that thing in your mind very clear, and enter to the university with a vision that after completion of my program, I will be achieving this goal. That's the best thing.
Thank you for your valuable opinion, sir. On that note, I would like to conclude the interview. That was Professor Wasim Bhatt, Controller of Examination and Assistant Professor of Law at Gujarat Maritime University. Thank you so much for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you so much. It was such a nice experience.